Today we'll be using this scan tool to scan this 2002 Cadillac. So first things first, you want to take this in and plug it into the OBD port. I can see. And then the light will tell you that it's connected properly. Then you should also see this turn on. But what you're going to want to do to get the codes is put it in accessory mode. Alright, and so normally, in order to check the most codes, you'd go to the OBD scanner, or the OBD, but today we're just going to be using the scanner. Here, that's green there. So you just press OK. And then this is a Cadillac, and if you scroll down, it'll show you all the years, and this is a 2002, so. It is an automatic, and you just wait. That is correct. And so normally you can just check the engine, transmission, but since this vehicle's not on, it'll be easiest just to check something like the window. So go display data, and I'll come up with all these different graphs and everything. And so we'll be checking the window. So if you come over here and when you roll down the window, you'll see these two graphs, dip up here, spike down here, and that just shows that the different that the power is going there. So if you go, so it'll just show the power draw of the window. And so this scanner can also be used. Let's go back here. Like I was saying before, you can check the engine, the transmission, the brakes, airbags, but most of these sensors will need you to turn the car over to check and get the right reading. And that is it for this video.